Welcome to Decor. If you love interiors that feel cozy, authentic, and full of timeless charm, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're exploring beautiful rustic bedroom decorating inspirations that combine natural textures, warm colors, and classic character to create a relaxing retreat you'll never want to leave. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite rustic decorating idea in the comments below. Let's get inspired. Rustic bedrooms begin with the beauty of natural wood. Exposed ceiling beams, reclaimed wood headboards, weathered nightstands, or hardwood flooring instantly create warmth and authenticity. Keeping the wood grain visible adds personality and celebrates the natural imperfections that make rustic interiors feel welcoming and unique. Choose colors inspired by nature, such as warm beige, creamy white, soft brown, muted olive, terracotta, and gentle gray. These calming shades create a peaceful environment while allowing wooden furniture and textured accessories to stand out beautifully. Layering earthy tones also makes the bedroom feel more inviting throughout every season. Nothing defines a cozy rustic bedroom better than luxurious layers of soft bedding. Combine linen sheets, chunky knit blankets, quilted comforters, and textured throw pillows to create depth and comfort. Mixing fabrics with subtle patterns gives the room a relaxed appearance without feeling overly decorated. Rustic style pairs wonderfully with vintage furniture pieces that tell a story. An antique dresser, distressed bedside table, or weathered storage bench adds character while maintaining functionality. Small signs of age and craftsmanship bring timeless appeal that modern furniture often cannot replicate. Natural stone fireplaces, brick accent walls, or stone-inspired decorative elements reinforce the rustic atmosphere. These materials provide texture and visual contrast while making the bedroom feel grounded and connected to nature. Even small stone accessories can strengthen the rustic aesthetic. Lighting has a major influence on the mood of a rustic bedroom. Select warm-toned bulbs inside lantern-style pendants, wrought iron chandeliers, wooden table lamps, or vintage-inspired sconces. Gentle lighting creates a peaceful evening atmosphere and highlights the rich textures throughout the room. Handcrafted details make rustic interiors feel personal and inviting. Woven baskets, handcrafted pottery, natural fiber rugs, macrame wall hangings, and wooden trays introduce texture while celebrating traditional craftsmanship. These decorative touches bring warmth without creating unnecessary clutter. Adding natural elements helps rustic bedrooms feel fresh and alive. Place dried branches, eucalyptus, wildflowers, or simple greenery inside ceramic or vintage glass vases. Organic decorations soften the room and strengthen the connection between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Storage solutions can become beautiful design features. Wooden trunks, open shelving, woven baskets, and vintage cabinets provide practical organization while contributing to the rustic aesthetic. Keeping everyday essentials neatly stored allows the bedroom to remain calm, comfortable, and visually balanced. Complete the room with carefully selected accessories such as vintage mirrors, framed botanical prints, antique clocks, rustic candle holders, or handcrafted artwork. Choosing meaningful decorative pieces creates a bedroom that feels personal, lived in, and rich with timeless character rather than overly styled. A successful rustic bedroom blends traditional beauty with modern convenience. Comfortable mattresses, soft area rugs, efficient lighting, and subtle technology can coexist with rustic materials when thoughtfully integrated. This balance creates a space that feels both timeless and practical for everyday living. Rustic bedroom decorating is all about creating warmth, comfort, and lasting character through natural materials, earthy colors, vintage furniture, and thoughtful details. With the right combination of textures and timeless design, you can transform any bedroom into a peaceful retreat filled with inviting charm. If you enjoyed these decorating inspirations, don't forget to subscribe to Decor, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite rustic bedroom idea. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next decorating inspiration.